Hey, welcome back to AI Innovate, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech innovations. Today, we're talking about the rumored features of the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro. First up, let's talk about size. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to come in two larger sizes, 3 inches and 6.9 inches. This is a significant increase, offering even more screen real estate for those who love big displays. Imagine the immersive experience for gaming, streaming, and productivity on these larger screens. Next, there's buzz about a brand new capture button. This dedicated button aims to enhance the photography
and videography experience by
providing quick access to your camera functions. No more fumbling through apps, just press and capture the moment instantly. Apple is also rumored to be relocating the mmWave antenna for the iPhone 16 Pro. This move could improve 5G performance and connectivity, ensuring faster and more reliable internet speeds, especially in urban areas where high-speed networks are crucial. Photography enthusiasts, this one's for you. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to feature a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This upgrade could significantly enhance the quality and detail of your wide-angle shots, making your photos even more stunning and vibrant. Both models of the iPhone 16 Pro are rumored to offer 5x optical zoom. This means you can get closer to your subject without losing image quality. Whether you're capturing distant landscapes or detailed close-ups, this feature will take your photography to the next level. Of course, performance is key. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to be powered by a faster A-series chip. This upgrade promises even better performance and efficiency, making multitasking, gaming, and running intensive apps smoother than ever. Lastly, let's talk about connectivity. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to support Wi-Fi 7, offering faster internet speeds and improved performance in crowded networks. Streaming, gaming, and browsing will be more seamless and enjoyable with this upgrade. There you have it, folks. Those are the rumored features of the iPhone 16 Pro. Which feature are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Innovate for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, keep innovating.